Good morning, geocachers. I hope you're well. Just looking at this next cache I'm going to do. It's a frosty Sunday morning and I'm doing a little series this morning, and this one I'm about to do is called Eboracum Yorkshire A to Z series. Behind me is St George's Church, and I've just done one which will be the previous geocache upload of Dick Turpin's grave, a cache in this area. So let's go looking. So this is the River Foss. It is a bit higher than it normally is at the moment because of some flooding. So what we're just passing now, this is the River Ouse. The foss that I've just shown you, that feeds into here, just on that side at the Ouse Basin, I believe it's called. And this is a car park, St George's Field car park. The river has peaked, but as you can see, a lot of the car park is still underwater at the moment. This is a regular occurrence in the city. I mean, look how high the water is against those fence posts there. It would be a good day to be kayaking in the river if you're going downstream. As you can see, it's flowing well. You see those boats centre screen? The access ramps to those normally don't point upwards. They normally have a downward slope towards the river, not away from it. So I'm just crossing Skeldergate now, about 200 metres away. Here, this is the beginning of one of the entrance points to the city walls, and there are a series of caches along the city walls, but unfortunately they'll be closed today due to the frosty weather. A lot of those areas are a little bit open and there's no handrails or anything against the open walls, so they close them so that people don't slip off and have accidents. How very sensible of them. Right, so it looks like I'm close. And it looks like it's through this gate here. And if you've seen my last video about Dick Turpin's grave, well, it looks like we're in another graveyard. Spooky. Not really. Oh look, the snowdrops are out. So I found the cache. Okay, so my bum might get a bit wet. What have we got here? Nice little bag, a tub, and there's a few little bits and pieces inside. Swanky! And then the log. There's a bonus thing on the inside of the lid too. That's the log side. It is nice when people have gone to the effort of making sure that the logs stay nice and dry. There's some muggles behind me. I need to wait till they've gone. I think according to the app that makes it my 26th find. I don't know whether you can see behind me, but there's a kid clambering across the railings. Oh good, he's getting down. And he's off. Good. Whew. So as I say, if you've liked this, please give the video a like, a thumbs up, and that's nicely stashed back, and give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Subscribe to the channel and you'll get a notification when you open YouTube to say that I've uploaded a new video. That's all for now. I'll see you soon.